Guys, in today's video, we're LS swapping the ECTO-1. Yes, I'm serious. So yeah guys, welcome back to my life. I've been a little busy and I'm gonna be a lot busier for the next couple months, which has given me the idea to just go ahead and send this car to a shop. But not just any shop, we'll get into that a little bit later. But let's just take a look at what the car looks like right now. It's dirty. I don't mind it at all because afterlife, well, let's send it. Car's still holding up pretty damn well. There's no rust bubbling, no paint coming off. Then again, it hasn't touched rain. I still need to scrape that off a little bit, but that's okay. Front lights are on. I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna mark, once I get the exact measurement, I'm gonna mark 2 holes and then I'm gonna drill and I'm gonna install these like permanently on the roof just because I don't want them sliding off. I still have to grind this down and get a little smooth. But yeah, we are about to start an LS swap. I've got a 6-liter LQ4. I've got a picture of it. It's not here, but here's a picture right there. What I'm going to do today is just make sure the car still fires up. I know it cranks. I just tried it. We're going to pull it out. I'm going to change the tire, and then we're going to make sure it's all ready to ship. And then next thing you're going to see is it on a trailer. Come on. I'm gonna move it around a little bit. Never mind, it doesn't want to run that well, so true to form, right? It runs for a good 2 minutes and then it dies, so We're not gonna recreate the firehouse scene, unfortunately. But at least I can go ahead and get the car ready for shipping. I can put all the stuff in the car. I can go ahead and paint that other side off camera. Okay. All right, Ecto Texas is here. Say hi. All right, time to load up.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Make a run at it.
Yeah.
Too low. Yeah, it's hitting. That's why you gotta jack it up some more. Yeah. Oh, you got stuff laying down.
Chassis stuff?
Yeah. Right, it's exhaust from
All right, after some roadkill ingenuity, we got the exhaust off that was keeping it from getting up. We barely got it to run enough to get on the trailer. We're both tired. Now the fun part begins. All right, we're on the way out. He's gonna make sure it doesn't feel like too forward or too far backwards or whatever. And then once we're confident, we're gonna get on the road and pick up the engine. Guys, this is unreal. We've been on the highway for literally 30 seconds. We've already got people rolling their windows down and taking pictures like that ram, like stopped traffic to take a bunch of pictures and videos. Like, it's unreal. Yeah, look, he's outside trying to take picture and video of this thing. Either that or he's trying to race, I don't know. The fuck is this? Oh, he's trying to take a picture of both of them together. Well, joke's on you, buddy. Now you got a Prius in your rear view. Ah! I just got a chip in my windshield, I think. This is unreal. I have no idea what's happening. They're trying to get a picture of both of them together. Absolutely unreal. We've been on the highway for like 5 minutes. I thought, because I saw these two trucks coordinating, I was like, what the fuck is this Mad Max thing going on Fury Road? And I guess he was just trying to get a picture of both of them together. That scared the shit out of me. I thought they were gonna try to GTA 5, hop in, press Y. So we pulled off for a moment to self-promote. So we added that on the back. And then I got my horrible handwriting tag me, follow me, love me. And then he's got his all written on the door. On the back, I also included his TikTok with mine. So maybe we'll get something out of this. That'd be fun. That was Park you were hearing. Okay, it still works. Ah, fuck, that was stupid. We're going straight in. In the middle. If I had been an inch to the left or right, you were making an face. How close did it get to that metal corner?
Oh, within half an inch.
Oh man, that sucks. Oh, I'm so stupid. But hey, you know what? We're done, and I never have to look at this car again until it's street legal.
Exactly.
I turned it off.
Fastest in the transmission.
What a miracle! Yeah, that little park is gone, but it only works when you're actually stopped. Yeah, it was doing the little all the way. This hit right there. Yeah. Apparently, I was within half an inch of this flatbed, which would have probably wiped the quarter panel off the planet. Fucking hell.
Yeah, all this trim would have been gone.
I'm not using that trim anyways.
You were like,
You almost.
I just didn't want to hit your pallet jack.
oh yeah, you don't want to hit the dumpster.
Oh my gosh, yeah, your precious dumpster and your precious fucking ramp truck. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I don't want to look. Hey, that's not as bad as that. Ooh.
Yeah, right there is where it got close.
Ooh. Hey, you know what? That would have just been the spear. I'm getting rid of the spear anyways.
Yeah. Drug it off.
How do you rate my driving, bro? Are you scared yet?
Well, I gotta move it Monday or tomorrow.
Bro, this thing is in good hands because it's out of my hands. Oh, I'm
Is it
sorry.
air reverse?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
For now. I took this to the coolest fucking shop in the entire state of Texas. Look at these fucking brand new convertible Mustangs. Camaro, Roadrunner, Lincoln Continental 4-door. Big ass, halo looking. B-body, Chevelle. No, what is that? What's the red car? Gran Torino? Damn. That's my favorite car in here. The 68 Charger is actually my favorite car in here. That's the owner's personal. Torino, RT Challenger, barn find. You're almost as sexy as these cars, bro. You're welcome. And he's also a Bronco and bullnose hoarder. Bullnose and dent side hoarder. So you've got his ECTO, F350, dent sides for fucking days. Whatever the hell, what is this again?
Lotus Europa.
Lotus Europa. I almost ran it over. It would have been a Lotus ran over. I'm sorry. That sucked. I did hit this car though, so that's okay. I'm sorry. It didn't do anything. It did more damage to my car. Carb is off. Beautiful first gen Camaro. It's already sold. Shame. And you just got this running. Is that original motor?
Yeah.
That's sweet. Does that have good compression on everything?
Yeah.
I hear it.
I gotta get more starting fluid.
Ah, never mind. Damn. Beautiful Air Force truck. I mean, look at this shit, dude. You got cool shit. All right, y'all, the transaction is complete. It's now about 5:36. I mean, I've been out since like, what, 8 or 9 on this, but the engine, oh, I haven't even showed you guys the, oh, well, this is the engine going in. I'm sorry, I meant to be more professional, but I've been really busy. This is a 110,000 miles, just about 6-liter LQ4 out of a Suburban and a 4L80 out of a Silverado. And they're about the same miles. So that's gonna go in the car. And you'll see it in a few months. I'll try to update regularly. If I don't, keep in touch with my TikTok, but I'll be posting YouTube shorts. Well, guys. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.